Are you really James Bond? You might be, actually.
I purchased.
I'm heading out to a job right now. They said their keypad doesn't work. I'll see you when I'm there. How you doing? I remember this steep driveway.
Yeah. I talked to her on the phone. They asked me to check the car.
Oh, yellow. Yeah. This here.
Yeah. That's yellow.
Yeah.
And
that one's purple. See that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one was put in after. Did we do this one too?
Yeah. Yeah. The power goes out.
Yeah.
It's just the battery's almost dead. Goes out now like once a year.
And which one doesn't work?
Oh, here, this one. And it's dead as a doornail.
Oh, okay.
I've changed. I have batteries.
But as far as it going up and down is good?
Oh yeah, but it works. Well, the cars it works fine.
Yeah.
But this they use all the time. I changed the battery.
And it was a brand new battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see how it works first. This one's hardwired in. Watch your head. Yeah.
Change the garage door.
You're not going to change
The
it?
door, no.
No, oh, that's fine. You actually have a perfect opening for roll-up doors. Most people don't have that much room to put them in. You have to frame them down and you just shorter door. But you got a ton of room in here. So, do you have the remote controls? Let me try those out. I just need one. One's fine. Nice car. Is it new?
18 years old.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It looks like a cool car. It must have been really cool 18 years ago. I don't need to go all the way. That works.
Yeah.
So it's not the radio for those. And then the keypad. This thing gets wet when it rains, right?
Yeah.
Really wet? Do you ever leave it open? Yeah, I would say the keypad is actually bad. It's probably, yeah, I can put a new one on these ones. Lucky because you got a newer opener, because a lot of the older ones you can't put them on. Oh yeah, can't live without a keypad. No, they had key switches. Remember those? You'd turn your key and it would open. Yeah, but those there, you can just spray your water in them and they'll open. Because they're basically like the wall button. But if they get wet inside, they will open up. Okay, let's program it before I hang it. That way I know it works. Okay, do you know your numbers you want on here?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. Okay, just punch in the 4 numbers or whatever they were.
Yeah, see the lights turning on in here. There was no light.
Yeah. And the what? I can add a, yeah, I can put a battery on it. That one's working? Or you just don't even use that one?
I don't, it'd be nice to have this one work as a.
Yeah, for when there's a power failure?
Yeah.
Have you had power failures?
Well, we don't flood, but we get
Yeah. This is where all the floods cause from up here.
Yeah.
These have these little gel things on the other side of these buttons. When you feel that push back, that little gel feeling, those get flattened so that they won't hit the contacts, right? So you want them to push the contacts. So just kind of push them evenly and you don't have to do them that hard. I think when you push them too hard, they flatten those. And then there's also electronics inside of this thing, like soldered. And then after a while, it might crack and nothing you can do about that. Okay, that little thing on the, before you didn't have it, it was dead, but you'll see the battery charging on the wall button there. See that little thing on the right? It's not fully charged when you put them in, but it'll charge all the way.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, so that was missing on yours because there was nothing going through it. It's yours there. You don't need service or anything, right? You just, I mean, you want me to check the other one, make sure it's working and stuff? No, I'll just make sure since I'm here. That way you don't go to use it. Ha ha ha! Lucky I'm here. Oh, this sensor here, this is not even in. How was it? Was it just on the ground? Is that loaded?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if it goes down now. Yeah, these doors, you can't even really mount them sometimes because all the brackets are in the way.
Yeah.
You gotta watch out, you got a lot of leaves in there. Yeah, you see how all these leaves are in the way of the lens?
Yeah.
So you get a little broom or something and just wipe them out.
Okay.
so they can see the other side. If they block, I've even gone to them on the old Genies.
Yeah.
Theirs are concaved in, and a spider overnight will build that little white cocoon over it. It'll get in there, and then you get a nail and you move it, and a little spider runs out. So yours have a lot of leaves. They have spider webs, but the leaves are sticking to them. That's it. You got cool cars, cool colors. I even like that one.
You want to see a real car?
Yeah. Oh, Ferrari. I think I remember this. Are you really James Bond? You might be, actually.
I purchased.
My advice to you is take the course, learn this trade, and you can do the same thing. I feel good. Are my hands dirty? No, my hands aren't dirty. Well, you know, we've gotten called, you know, they're mixed on whether they want to take our course because it's an online course, you know, the course that we offer. And the online course is incredible, actually. We have so many people that have gotten into this business. They've called me. We're actually going to be filming the first woman that took the course, and she's going to be doing her first job coming up here. She's going to start marketing herself. She's getting all her truck ready and her tools and all that. And she's all happy to go out there. She said she's a little nervous, but she wants to go out and she's anxious to start, you know, doing the repairs. So even women now are taking our course. We never thought women, you know, would be interested in this, but it seems like women want to do this as well. They see how much money you make, and I guess it's not very easy to make money doing anything else like this and not working very hard. So this is a great trade. You know, people going to school. I had a guy last week said he feels like he's wasting his time going to school because most people that go to school, they end up being in debt when they get out. They got to start at the bottom of whatever they do. They're not going to just go right into what they were doing. It'll take them years before they even make or see any money, and who knows, by then they'll probably get burnt out and quit. But the good thing about this is you could get right in 30 days you'll be making this kind of money. Forget the school, keep your money. You take the school, it's only $1,499. You're never gonna get a course that cheap. We are offering we're gonna go back to the hands-on, but the hands-on is gonna cost you guys a pretty penny. But I mean, to do it right, we gotta charge that. There's just no way around it. So it's gonna be about almost 20 grand. It's like 19,900 or something. So we're gonna be having that because so many people ask about it. When we're trying to keep costs down for you by doing the one for $1,499. The thing with the $1,499 as well is it's a lifetime membership. So if you forget something or you need to, you know, freshen your mind when you're on a job, you could actually go out to the truck, go right to, they're all labeled too. If you forgot how to reset cables, for instance, you can go right to where it says resetting cables, and you can watch a little 5 or 10 minute video on there, and it'll show you exactly how to do it. And you know, which one to do first and all that stuff. So when you get the hands-on class, once you leave there, you're on your own. So if you want to touch it so bad, that's not going to really teach you. You got to understand how to do it and how they work. And that's what we teach you on the online class. So to me, the online class is even better, and it's a lot cheaper. So for an hour of work, I could pay for the whole class, and that's my education. You guys are paying all this money to go to college, and there's no guarantees. You got 10,000 people going to the same class all over the country. I mean, then you got to go compete for jobs and work for other people and get up early, work all day, wait for a check. Here, I already got my checks. I'm driving away. I could go cash them. I could go deposit them, do whatever I want with them. And I could, you know, you working basically right off the truck. There's no lifting, none of that stuff. So this is a great trade. You guys should think about getting into it. If you want to learn the trade, you sign up at www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Everybody in this business that's doing it is making a lot of money. So if you want to get in this business, the real way to learn and the only way to learn is to go to garagedoortrainingschool.com. That's at www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Check them out, sign up. And it's very reasonable priced. I mean, don't even think about the price because you'll make it back in one day once you start doing repairs. All right, over and out.